Today I will play car crash.
And if any of you like, you may try out.
Let him play first.